As you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow. Soft piano tunes drift where thoughts freely go. Acoustic guitar whispers stories untold, creating a serene backdrop, a harmony's fold. Strings of a violin and a wistful embrace, in a soft chilling rhythm find your own place. The subtle hum of a cello grounding and deep, woven into words where memories sleep. Each note a journey and inspiration. On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue. So let the music guide you calm as the blog unveils its stories, vibrant and warm. Strings of a
Kunin mo, sis. Kunin mo.
in a soft soothing rhythm find your place.
Kunin mo ako. Takon. Takon talaga. Ice cream daw sila. Dito dumating yung aming karni. So, yan. I'm waiting the karni baka. Kain kami guys. Surot.
The subtle hum of a cello
Wait lang. Tatlo kami. Yan, magalaw yung aking kamay. Yan. Ang sarap ng aming buhay. Where's my karne? Yan pa yung karne namin. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
as you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow.
Kaya di pa kami nagluto kasi wala pa yung karne namin guys. Kakain muna kami ng ice cream.
Thoughts freely go.
So ice cream muna kami ngayon.
Acoustic guitar whispers
Yan, while
stories
waiting the karne.
creating a serene backdrop.
Ah,
The
buntis agad.
harmonies fold.
Ang sarap. Yan. Wala pa ang karne namin.
Ba't wala ka pa gusto?
Hindi ba ako kinunan?
Haluan mo yung pambira kasi.
Kumbirang patis. Kaya kunan mo naman ako. Uy, kagaya sa iyo.
Ibang lugar to.
Hindi pala. Ayan ang karne. Anli karne. Sarap. Ayan. Ang karne namin nahuli.
On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue. So let the
Ganun ang
music
shabu-shabu nila
guide you
dito.
calm as the blog
Ay, iba yun.
unveils its stories,
Iba din yun.
vibrant and
Meron din dito. Unlimited dito.
strings of a
Naku, magsawa ka ng kain. May mga sugpo, may mga anong sagintan.
in a soft
Tapos hindi ka maglawihaw.
find your
Oh. Dapat lang tayo. Sagin. Yan na guys. Sarap ng kanin. Dami karne ko. Kainin baka. Sila na namin kumain ng ice cream. Kasi ang tagal nitong dumating. Diba?
The subtle
Ang
hum
sarap ko.
of a shallow grounding and deep.
Naubos ko nung sa akin, sis.
Woven
Kasi
into
kakain na ako.
where memories sleep.
Diba? Sarap. So, mamaya na yan. Iba. Nagpuli ako na. Nagpuli, guys. Pero kaya na hindi ka talaga logi. Sa 300, 99. 400 na rin.
As you explore Arlen's blog, let the gentle melodies flow.
Ayan. Diba? Makikita ko
Soft
sa ako
piano
na.
tunes drift where thoughts
Kasi
freely
hindi ako nagkuha eh. Dito ako
acoustic
makasaw
guitar whispers stories untold,
sa katabi.
creating a serene backdrop. The harmonies fold.
Sarap ng sauce mo.
Strings of a violin and a wistful embrace. In a soft, chilling rhythm, find your own pace. The subtle hum of a cello grounding and deep, woven into words where memories sleep. With each note a journey and inspiration.
May stroke daw ako. Sabi niya.
On Arlen's channel, dreams and visions pursue. So let the music guide you calm and warm as the blog unveils its stories, vibrant and warm.
Hulo, naubos ang sa kanya. Nilagay mo.
Strings of a violin